Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best wood model kits is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging hobbies for adults seeking a creative outlet and a tangible sense of accomplishment, offering a unique blend of precision, patience, and artistry that transforms simple wooden pieces into intricate and impressive replicas of everything from classic cars and vintage airplanes to architectural marvels and fantastical creatures, providing a deeply satisfying experience that sharpens focus, enhances fine motor skills, and delivers a beautiful finished product to display with pride. Number 5. Rowood London Tower Bridge 3D Wooden Puzzle. Discover the iconic London Tower Bridge with this intricate 3D wooden puzzle. Recreate a piece of history and bring architectural marvel into your home. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly wood, each piece is precision cut for a seamless fit. Its detailed design makes it a standout model for any enthusiast. Searching for a unique gift? This 3D puzzle is an excellent choice for birthdays and holidays. It's a memorable present that will be cherished for years. Once assembled, it becomes a stunning piece of home decor. Display it proudly to add sophistication and history to your space, sparking admiration from guests. Designed for a smooth assembly, take your time and enjoy the rewarding process. Handle small pieces with care and use the instructions for guidance. Please note that lighting accessories are not included. You will need to prepare these yourself to illuminate your completed London Tower Bridge. What we like. If you're a history buff or an architecture enthusiast, this model is for you. It meticulously recreates a famous bridge, offering a rewarding building experience and a stunning display piece. You should choose this if you appreciate detailed replicas and want a conversation starter for your home. What people say. I love the ship and how detailed it was. This is a beautifully ornate tiny puzzle with real moving parts, and that alone makes it so cool and worth the trouble. The detailed panels look great and all the cuts are very clean. Number 4. Cutefun Eternal Bookstore Book Nook Kit. Imagine a place where heaven truly exists, a library. Picture a snowy day, a warm fireplace, and losing yourself in a book nook as your mind wanders. This book nook perfectly recreates a miniature library world. It combines a 3D diorama, a book nook, and decor into one stunning piece, resembling a tiny, real house. Experience the fun of assembling this kit yourself. Immerse yourself in the building process and enjoy a rewarding time creating a wonderful book nook. We provide a detailed, step-by-step instruction manual to guide you. Assembly typically takes around 5 hours for adults, though teens may need a bit longer. Each kit is carefully inspected to ensure all parts are present. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help and will respond within 12 hours. What we like. For the avid reader and lover of cozy spaces, this book nook is a dream come true. It transforms into a charming miniature library, complete with lighting to set the mood. If you're looking for a unique gift for a book lover or a delightful personal project that adds ambience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The pieces are all labeled and punched on a wood board that is easy to get apart. The wood board MDF was a little more solid than most book nooks I've worked on previously. The parts are precisely laser cut, everything fits together. Number 3. Rolife 3D Wooden Ferris Wheel Music Box. Experience the magic of our grand Ferris wheel's music box. Wind it up, and watch it spin to a beautiful melody, a perfect blend of sight and sound. Inspired by the joy of amusement park rides, this design evokes cherished childhood memories. It's a beautiful reminder of simpler times. Putting this together is a fun and rewarding experience for everyone. It's a great activity to enjoy with family and friends, just be sure to handle the pieces with care. Crafted from natural wood with precision laser-cut pieces, this miniature model is safe, eco-friendly, and stunning when completed. Its intricate design is truly a work of art. Looking for a unique gift? This 3D puzzle is an ideal present for puzzle lovers and a fantastic educational toy for children. It's easy to build and a beautiful decoration once finished. What we like. If you have a fondness for amusement parks and a love for music, this Ferris wheel model is perfect. It not only builds into a beautiful replica but also plays a melody as it turns. You should consider this if you want a charming, kinetic model that evokes happy memories and brings a touch of joy. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the assembly process enjoyable. The finished model is detailed and looks great on display. All the parts were included and fit together perfectly, which is a testament to the quality of the kit. Number 2. ROBOTIME Luminous Globe ST0033D Wooden Puzzle. Discover a unique wooden globe that recreates traditional globe making with a modern twist. It features detailed map panels and a sophisticated gear system that allows the globe to rotate. This captivating luminous globe is more than just a puzzle, it's a retro-style 3D wooden model with a built-in LED light. It's a perfect handcraft kit to assemble and a unique gift that brings warmth and charm to any room. Enhance your space with this exquisite 3D globe, inspired by European furniture design. Its elegant, vintage look with intricate plant patterns adds a stylish, modern touch to any desk, shelf, or table. Experience the satisfaction of building your own luminous globe with ease. Advanced mortise and tenon technology ensures a seamless fit, allowing you to enjoy the rewarding hands-on process of crafting your masterpiece. Engage in assembling this model to sharpen your logical thinking and refine your mental skills. This process cultivates patience and attention to detail, leading to a rewarding sense of accomplishment. We provide expert 24/7 assistance for your assembly process. Whether you need guidance or troubleshooting help, our team is available to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience as you construct your beautiful globe. What we like. This model is ideal for those who love geography, astronomy, or simply appreciate elegant decor. It's a functional globe that lights up, making it a captivating night lamp and a sophisticated addition to any desk or shelf. If you're seeking a blend of educational value, interactive mechanics, and stylish design, this luminous globe is a fantastic option. What people say. The wood pieces are pre-cut and fit together precisely, making assembly straightforward and enjoyable. The intricate details of the finished model are impressive, showcasing excellent design and craftsmanship. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, with diagrams that accurately represent each step. Number 1. Wood Trick Mechanical Tractor Model Kit. Introducing a unique 3D wooden tractor model kit. It's crafted entirely from natural wood and comes with 401 pieces for you to assemble, no glue required. This model is inspired by real tilling tractors, featuring massive wheels, a detailed cabin, and a functional engine that allows it to move. Explore the realism with adjustable seats and a steering wheel in the cabin. You can even open the hood to see the pistons working. This kit offers a high level of complexity, perfect for experienced hobbyists. It takes about 6 to 8 hours to build, enhancing perseverance and fine motor skills. Dive into the world of physics and mechanics with this engaging puzzle. It's designed to spark curiosity about how things work. This makes an excellent gift for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. Share the joy of building and engineering with your loved ones. What we like. For the mechanically inclined and those who love to see engineering in action, this tractor model is a must-have. It features a working engine, realistic cabin details, and even 2 speeds, offering a deep dive into mechanical principles. If you're an experienced hobbyist looking for a challenging and interactive build that demonstrates real-world mechanics, this is the kit for you. What people say. The quality and attention to detail is impressive. Everything is very well organized and the instructions are detailed and easy to follow. It's so well thought out and designed, loads of little bits that tickled me. It all worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.